So these pictures are from, we went with Alex on Christmas Eve to Ramada, and we brought two of his gifts with us. And Ramada had a Christmas tree there, and we put his presents under the Christmas tree and told him that Santa showed up with those two presents for him. And it was Mario Land 3D and Mario Maker. So you get to make your own Mario worlds for your own Mario worlds for others to play. So, and it is fun. I just don't have time to play it much anymore. So, anyway, so I'm going to use Basil cardstock. That pink checkered layer is from the November 2017 kit. And then that green checkered pattern is, well, I do have, it's crate paper. Is that what it is? Because I don't have it written down. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway. In these pictures, I apologize. They turned out, they are really dark, but you can see in real life and face to face with this that you can see. So I have some scraps that I'm just trying to use up. Because this is the December 2018 kit now that I am on, and so I have stuff left over from the 2017 kit that I am going to pull in and use, and that pink paper right there is one of them. And so this is the first layout, of course, that I'm doing with that. So I'm going to use some black ink to ink the edges of everything. I'm going to use some puffy stickers, which are Paintbrush Studio December Days. I think on this layout I pretty much use just the puffy stickers because I ended up with some left over from the 2016 November 2017 kit as well. I have my hair tie. I guess I left it in my bedroom. Oh, that's a text. Oh. So I got sticky stuff for Cricut, so how do I put the paper on the mat? Okay, let me text her back in just a second. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put the paper on the mat. Okay, girl. So I'm going to add some washi tape. It just kind of looks like it's hanging there. So I want to put something underneath so it has that base to sit on, so it's not just like it's floating there. So I'm going to use those washi tape strips. I'm going to add that under the piece, or try anyway. Okay, so I'm going to do my title here in just a second. Which is going to be from the Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings, which is right here. Exclusive puffy stickers. Right here, I'm looking to see. It has a lot of good phrases to use as titles. And I'm going to use favorite things because this was something he requested for Christmas. So it's just a matter of trying to figure out where I want my title, and then that will pretty much complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.